There is something about owning a vacation home. It's where you can kind of disconnect from the pressures of everyday life and reconnect with your family. Our home is a Lindal Cedar Home located on a hill overlooking Lake Ashmere in Hinsdale, Massachusetts. Hinsdale is a small hill town in the Berkshires with a population of 5,000 or so. Being by the lake is great. There are plenty of recreational activities in the summer, like boating, swimming, or kayaking. And in the winter, plenty of snowmobiling, skating, and ice fishing. The main floor of our house has an open design with a dynamic wall of glass offering up a great view of the lake and its sunsets. The house has oak floors and soaring vaulted ceilings lined with western red cedar. Whether you're preparing a meal, playing Scrabble, or reading a book, your family can all be together in this great space. Just down the hall, there are 2 bedrooms on the main floor. The first bedroom is very comfortable. It has its own closet and is connected to the full bath. The second bedroom is the same size, just across the hall. The master bedroom is a loft on the second floor. It has hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings. It's warm and spacious, and it has its own full bath. And it offers up the same dynamic view as the first floor. The downstairs of the house is our entertainment area. There's plenty of space for family to enjoy a movie night. And one of the great things about the lower space is that it can accommodate extended family and friends for the weekend. Futons provide the seating, which convert to beds. There is also a bedroom, a bunk bed, and a half bath. We've enjoyed inviting our friends up for ski weekends, and this area was great for the kids to call their own. Our house's location has a wonderful remote feeling, but it's nice to know we are only 10 minutes away from grocery shopping, movies, and a mall in nearby Pittsfield. If you're a skier, you'll be happy to know that Jiminy Peak is only 20 minutes away and Mount Snow only an hour. After a day on the slopes, one of my favorite things is to unwind in the spa. I really enjoy the warmth of the hot tub while admiring the blanket of white around me. And I love the sunsets. Thank you for taking the time to tour our home in the Berkshires.